Bacteria are a diverse group of microorganisms that can be found in a wide range of environments, including soil, water, and the human body. While many bacteria are harmless or even beneficial to humans, some types of bacteria can cause disease and illness. These pathogenic bacteria can be categorized into several different types, each with its own unique characteristics and methods of treatment. One of the most common types of pathogenic bacteria is Staphylococcus aureus, or staph infection. Staph infections can cause a wide range of symptoms, including skin infections, pneumonia, and sepsis. Treatment for staph infections typically involves antibiotics, although some strains of staph infection are resistant to multiple types of antibiotics and can be difficult to treat. Another type of pathogenic bacteria is Streptococcus pyogenes, or strep throat. Strep throat is characterized by inflammation and swelling of the throat and can cause symptoms such as sore throat, fever, and difficulty swallowing. Treatment for strep throat typically involves antibiotics, which can help to reduce symptoms and prevent complications such as rheumatic fever. Clostridium difficile, or C. diff, is a type of pathogenic bacteria that can cause severe gastrointestinal symptoms such as diarrhea, fever, and abdominal pain. C. diff is typically transmitted through contact with contaminated surfaces or fecal matter and can be difficult to treat due to its resistance to many antibiotics. Treatment for C. diff typically involves a combination of antibiotics and supportive care, such as hydration and electrolyte replacement. Salmonella is another common type of pathogenic bacteria that can cause foodborne illness. Symptoms of Salmonella infection typically include fever, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Treatment for Salmonella infection typically involves hydration and electrolyte replacement, although in severe cases antibiotics may be necessary. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, or tuberculosis, TB, is a type of pathogenic bacteria that can cause severe respiratory symptoms such as coughing, fever, and chest pain. TB is typically spread through airborne droplets and can be difficult to treat due to its resistance to many antibiotics. Treatment for TB typically involves a combination of antibiotics taken over a period of several months. In addition to antibiotics, there are several other methods of treatment that can be used to combat pathogenic bacteria. These include vaccines, which can help to prevent infections from occurring in the first place, as well as supportive care such as hydration and rest, which can help to reduce symptoms and support the immune system. In certain cases, surgical intervention may also be necessary to treat pathogenic bacteria. For example, in cases of severe staph infection or C. diff infection, surgery may be necessary to remove infected tissue or to address complications such as sepsis. In addition to antibiotics, vaccines, and supportive care, there are also emerging treatments for pathogenic bacteria that show promise in the fight against antibiotic-resistant strains. One such treatment is phage therapy, which involves the use of bacteriophages, or viruses that infect bacteria, to kill pathogenic bacteria. Phage therapy has been used for decades in countries such as Russia and Georgia, but has only recently gained attention in Western medicine as a potential alternative to antibiotics. Another emerging treatment for pathogenic bacteria is the use of probiotics, or live microorganisms that can confer health benefits when consumed. Probiotics may help to reduce the growth of pathogenic bacteria by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut and other parts of the body. In addition to these treatments, researchers are also exploring the potential of alternative therapies such as essential oils, herbal remedies, and other natural products as potential treatments for pathogenic bacteria. Despite the availability of antibiotics and other